Precision begins with the finest raw steel. Automated decoiling feeds the production line.
Where lasers carve chassis parts with millimeter accuracy.
Quality is checked from the very first cut.
Heavy-duty presses mold the structural skin. While tubular steel is bent to form the safety cage. Robotics torpedoes. Robotics handle the heavy lifting,
Transporting components to the welding shop with zero errors.
Next, the skeleton of the bus begins to take shape.
The chassis ladder frame is the backbone of the vehicle.
Sidewalls are precision welded for maximum structural rigidity.
The roof structure is reinforced to ensure passenger safety.
In the main framing jig, the 6 major sections meet. A complete steel skeleton emerges. Pre-stressed skin is stretched over the frame for a smooth finish.
Skilled technicians secure the outer shell.
Every joint is ground to perfection. Preparing the body for its most critical protection. The entire bus enters the cathodic electrophoresis process. A uniform coating that guarantees decades of rust resistance. Baking at high temperatures cures the primer instantly.
Sealing ensures the cabin remains watertight and quiet.
Sanding creates the perfect surface for the top coat.
Automated painting delivers a flawless, eco-friendly color coat.
Consistency is measured in microns. Shining and durable, the body is ready for assembly. Meanwhile, the powertrain is prepared. Axles and air suspension are mounted for the smoothest ride.
High-capacity batteries are secured deep in the chassis.
The marriage, where body and chassis become one.
Precision bolting unites the structure permanently.
Power systems are connected and double-checked.
Automated tire mounting ensures safety. The bus finally stands on its own wheels. Underbody coating shields against road debris. Ready for the final stage, the interior.
The cabin is a blank canvas.
Durable, non-slip flooring is laid first. Robotic glazing ensures a watertight windshield seal.
Panoramic windows offer passengers a clear view.
The driver's cockpit is installed as a single unit. Smart systems are brought online.
Climate control and lighting for ultimate comfort.
Ergonomic seats are installed row by row.
Attention to detail defines the interior finish.
The face of the bus is finally complete.
First ignition. The systems awaken.
It leaves the line, but the journey isn't over.
The monsoon test guarantees 0 leaks.
High-speed stability is tested on the track.
Suspension durability is proven on rough terrain.
Braking systems are pushed to the limit.
Passed. Every standard met.
A symbol of quality, ready for the world.
Joining a global fleet, serving cities everywhere.
Yutong. Better bus, better life.